Riyan, firstly, congratulations for getting to play a first game for India. In today's cricket, we all know, apart from performances, people who are responsible for you guys getting selected, they're watching you and they see something special in you. And having spoken to Gigi Bhai, Rohit, selectors, everyone, they see something special in you. You have that ability to become a match winner for India. I know you have that belief. I've known you for a while now, and we all have that belief in you. And no better time to step in today, 1-0 down, to start off your international career with an impactful presence on the field, ball, bat, and fielding as well. I wish you all the best. Cap 256, Riyan Parag. Go well, yeah?